Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel where I discuss all things related to data analytics tools and tips. Today I will be talking about a really cool Power BI visual that will help you to track your sales target more effectively. It is called Tachometer by Annik and I'm really excited to share this with you. Let's get started. Now you might be wondering why you should be using Tachometer instead of the standard Power BI visuals. Well, the answer is simple. Tachometer is more engaging and easier to understand as compared to the standard Power BI table or a gauge chart. With Tachometer, you can track your monthly and yearly sales target based on traffic light signal, which makes it really easy to see if you are on track to achieve your goals. Before we start creating our visual, first let's understand our data set. I am into the data view of my report where the first table is the sales table that records all the transactions for the year 2023. Second we have is the salesperson table where we have name and code of all the salesperson. Third we have is the target table which has the target values for year, month and weeks for each of the salesperson. Our data model is based on star schema model where our sales table is connected with another two dim table based on one-to-many relationships, and filter direction is set to both. To create a color-coded system to show the progress towards sales target, we will take three conditions as an example, where first condition is if the target achieved is less than 50%, then it should show in red color. Second is if the target achieved is equal to or greater than 50% and less than 80%, then it should show in yellow color. Third condition is if the target achieved is equal to or greater than 80%, then it should show in green color. Based on our conditions, let's create the tachometer visual. I'll simply click on the visual. You can download the visual from the app source. Once you click on the visual, the data values will open up. So the first field is the value field. It will be simply the sum of sales that is being achieved so far. Start value, for now you can leave it as blank. Third is end value. This can be your target values, so I will simply drag sum of monthly sales target into the end value field. Target value is the actual target achieved assigned, so that is again the sum of monthly targets. Now range to start value, this is the range where you want to start where you want your range to start from. So in our case it will be the 50% of the total target value achieved. So for this we have written a simple DAX formula which calculates 50% of the monthly target. It is just a simple DAX that calculates sum of monthly target into 0.5. So we'll drag range to field into the range to start value. Now range 3 from our condition is 80% of the total target achieved. So again we have written the DAX which calculates 80% of the monthly target values. So I will drag range 3 monthly measure into the range 3 start value. Now we need to format the visual as per our liking. So first I will give it a descriptive title. So the title will be monthly sales target tracker. Monthly sales target tracker, and we'll adjust the range color as per our liking. So first range 1, where the target is less than 50%, we want to show it as red, so we'll select the red color. Range 2 is yellow color, so we'll click on yellow, and our third range will be green color. So I'll click on more colors and set it to green. Okay, this one. Okay, now the visual is formatted as per our liking, and we also want to add the callout percentage. This will show us the percentage value achieved. And in the visual level filter, because this is a monthly sales target tracker, we want to add a visual level filter, that is the date column will be filtered to this month. From relative date, we can set it is in this month, and you can just apply the filter, lock the visual and lock the filter, and there you go. Now the visual is all set, but it shows for the entire company instead of a particular salesperson. So we will simply add a salesperson name from the salesperson table to filter the visual by each salesperson. So for example, if we look at John Smith has achieved 55% of the total target, monthly target. His monthly target is 90,000 and John has achieved 50,000. That is 55% of the target achieved, and the needle shows in the yellow range based on our condition. If we go to Sarah Lee, Sarah has achieved exactly 50%, which again falls in yellow range. And if we go to Bob, then Bob is lacking behind. He has achieved only 35% of the target, and hence it falls under the red zone. Our final result after all the formatting should look like this, where you can create monthly as well as yearly target, and when you click on the respective salesperson, the visual get filtered based on the data. So there you have it. It looks really beautiful and adds a lot of visual appeal to your Power BI reports. I hope you like this video, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you so much.